2 Creative Recipes Using Cucumbers Part 3. Cucumber and Watermelon Salad, a refreshing summer delight. Cucumber and watermelon salad is the epitome of summer refreshment. This delightful combination brings together the crispness of cucumbers and the juiciness of watermelon, creating a salad that is both hydrating and bursting with flavor. The contrasting textures and natural sweetness of these two ingredients make this salad a perfect addition to any summer gathering or a light and refreshing side dish. In this video, we will explore the wonderful qualities of cucumber and watermelon salad, including its key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different taste preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and watermelon salad. Cucumber and watermelon salad captures the essence of summer with its vibrant colors and refreshing flavors. The crisp and cool cucumbers provide a refreshing base, while the juicy and sweet watermelon adds a burst of natural sweetness. The combination of these two ingredients creates a salad that is both hydrating and revitalizing, making it the perfect antidote to hot summer days. The addition of fresh herbs and a tangy dressing takes this salad to another level of deliciousness. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and watermelon salad. To prepare a delightful cucumber and watermelon salad, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers. Choose firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. Peel the cucumbers if desired and cut them into bite-sized pieces or slices. Watermelon. Select a ripe and juicy watermelon. Cut it into cubes or use a melon baller to create attractive shapes. Remove any seeds if necessary. Red onion. Thinly slice a small red onion to add a touch of sharpness and color to the salad. Soak the sliced onion in cold water for a few minutes to mellow its flavor if desired. Fresh herbs. Mint and basil are commonly used in cucumber and watermelon salad to add a refreshing and herbaceous note. Chop the herbs finely or tear them into smaller pieces. Feta cheese. Crumbled feta cheese adds a tangy and salty element to the salad. Use high-quality feta cheese made from sheep's milk or a combination of sheep's and goat's milk for the best flavor. Lime or lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lime or lemon juice adds acidity and brightness to the salad. Adjust the amount based on your taste preference. Olive oil. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is essential for dressing the salad and enhancing its flavors. Salt and pepper. Season the salad with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Let's now walk through the step-by-step process of making cucumber and watermelon salad. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and dry the cucumbers, watermelon, and fresh herbs. Peel the cucumbers if desired and cut them into bite-sized pieces or slices. Cut the watermelon into cubes or use a melon baller to create attractive shapes. Thinly slice the red onion. Crumble the feta cheese into small pieces. Chop the fresh herbs finely or tear them into smaller pieces. Step 2. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cucumber pieces, watermelon cubes, sliced red onion, and crumbled feta cheese. Add the chopped fresh herbs and gently toss the ingredients together. Step 3. Dress the salad. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lime or lemon juice and olive oil until well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the salad ingredients. Gently toss the salad to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed. Season with salt. Cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers, a nutritious and flavorful dish. Cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers combine the freshness of cucumbers with the nuttiness of quinoa, creating a nutritious and flavorful dish that is as visually appealing as it is delicious. Stuffed peppers are a versatile and satisfying meal option that can be enjoyed by vegetarians and meat eaters alike. We will explore the delightful qualities of cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers, including the key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different taste preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers. Cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers offer a combination of vibrant flavors and textures. The refreshing crunch of cucumbers complements the hearty and nutty quinoa, creating a filling that is both satisfying and light. The sweetness of the bell peppers enhances the overall taste and presentation of the dish. This recipe not only provides a healthy and balanced meal option but also offers a creative way to incorporate cucumbers into your culinary repertoire. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers. To prepare cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers, gather the following ingredients. Bell peppers. Choose firm and colorful bell peppers for stuffing. Red, yellow, and orange peppers add a visually appealing touch to the dish. Quinoa. Opt for a high-quality quinoa variety, such as white, red, or tricolor. Quinoa is a nutritious grain that provides a good source of protein and fiber. Cucumbers. Select fresh and firm cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and a crunchy texture. Chop the cucumbers into small cubes. Onion. Finely chop a small onion to add flavor and aroma to the stuffing mixture. Garlic. Mince a clove or two of garlic to infuse the stuffing with a savory note. Fresh herbs. Choose herbs such as parsley, dill, or cilantro to add freshness and enhance the overall flavor of the stuffing. Feta cheese. Crumbled feta cheese adds a tangy and salty element to the stuffing. It complements the other ingredients and adds richness to the dish. Olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil for sautéing the onions and garlic, as well as for brushing the peppers. Vegetable broth. Vegetable broth or water is used to cook the quinoa, adding flavor and moisture to the stuffing mixture. Salt and pepper. Season the stuffing mixture with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Let's now explore the step-by-step process of making cucumber and quinoa stuffed peppers. Step 1. Prepare the peppers. Wash the bell peppers and cut off the tops. Remove the seeds and membrane from the inside, creating a hollow space for the stuffing. Lightly brush the peppers with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place them on a baking sheet or in a baking dish. Step 2. Cook the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. In a saucepan, combine the quinoa and vegetable broth or water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pan. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork and set it aside to cool. Step 3. Prepare the stuffing mixture. In a skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until